Do you know what a sig fig is?
Yeah, I know what a sig fig is.
Are you sure you know what a sig fig is?
Yes, of course I know what a sig fig is.
Then what is it?
SIGNIFICANT. Do you know what that means?
FIGURES.
Do you know what that means? So today I'm trying to teach you what it's all about.
Okay, are you sure? I'm filled with doubt.
Rule number 1 means 1 through 9 is always significant, like 59 or 67.
So if I had 12.06 and 81.78, all the numbers would be examples and would be significant. Do you think that you could do this? Rule number 2 ties in with this. Any zeros between captains are significant.
If a 0 was after the 6 or 7, rule number 3 would apply. No need to ask why.
So if I had 0.100, it would all be significant number.
That's right, and even with 0.9500.
Rule number 4 deals with placeholders. If you had 0.005, the zeros wouldn't count.
That's because there's no number to trap them inside.
I knew I was right.
Trailing zeros are the ones that aren't followed by a decimal place or any significant number.
They trail without anywhere to go. That's how you know it's a no.
Numbers with trailing zeros include 5,000 and 700. Both only have one sig fig.
Adding and subtraction come easily to me. Use the smallest digit for rounding. Add 12.1 and 23.24, which equals 35.5.
Subtracting is just as fun, but don't forget to round. 32.75 minus 26.2 equals 6.53 with all three significant figures.
Same rules apply to multiplication and division.
Multiplying comes so easy, and here I go. 63.22 times 0.75 equals 47.
Now it's time for division. 75.63 24.23 equals 3.121. I found a way to write numbers in simpler ways.
And so scientific notation does the job. You make any number more than 1 but less than 10.
And use the proper exponents with a base of 10.
You'll never have to write those zeros again. 0.000000028 would make 2.8 times 10 to the negative 8.
So 4.1 times 10 to the 12th makes 4.1 trillion.
Positive exponents you move to the right.
Negative exponents you move to the left.
For addition and subtraction, you gotta know what's best. Exponents must be the same, so let's put it all to rest.
1.6 times 10 to the 8th and 5.2 times 10 to the 7th changes to 1.6 times 10 to the 8th plus 0.52 times 10 to the 8th.
Which makes 6.8 times 10 to the 8th. I got the multiplication down, so let me explain this time around. Find the product of your numbers and add the exponents.
1.6 times 10 to the 8th makes times 5.2 times 10 to the 7th makes 8.32 times 10 to the 15th. Dividing is as easy as 1, 2, 3, so won't you please explain it with me?
You find the quotient of your number and subtract the exponents.
1.6 times 10 to the 8th divided by 5.2 times 10 to the 7th makes 3. Do you know what a sig fig is?
Yeah, I know what a sig fig is.
Are you sure you know what a sig fig is?
Yes, of course I know what a sig fig is.
Then what is it?
SIGNIFICANT. Do you know what that means?
FIGURES.
Do you know what that means?